All right, so we are at part 3, A and B. I would like you to watch the Annotating a Prompt for Meaning video. Simply put, when you are taking a asynchronous course, you want to ensure that you understand the instructions, the directions, that you don't miss something that's super important because you want to work efficiently and effectively. And one ingredient or component of working effectively and efficiently is capturing what is being asked of you, comprehending what is being asked of you. So I've said enough. Watch the video. Next, part A. This next part has two parts, A and B, part A. Now, y'all, for this activity, right? For this activity, I want you to propose, right? Propose 3 potential topics for your own commoner type, easier to say piece. Propose 3 topics. Again, you can change your mind. You can change your mind on this because you're just proposing these. You might change your mind. That's fine. But I do want you to at least offer 3 potential ones. In doing that, I have a particular structure I want you to follow so that A, the proposal demonstrates that you have thought through to some degree or pinpointed to some degree what your topic is, and that you have thought through to some degree why that topic would be something that you would be willing to spend, some time on, right? To make meaningful as a writing project for you, the effort involved, and then also that it would bring value, to your reader. So that is why I say, number 1, right? I want you to name your topic in between 1 and 3 words. So, because I just want the topic. That's why I don't need more than even 1 word. Tattoos, empathy, sisterhood. But I also know that some topics are, more than 1 word, like, bubble baths, for example. So then, in a sentence, maybe 2, describe the topic's significance to you. If all of a sudden you find yourself just totally blanking and blanking persistently on the topic's significance to you, then it's probably not a good topic for this writing project. It's still a good thing in your life, but it doesn't lend itself to this writing project. Mr. C, I still don't understand what you're asking for. That's fine. And that is why I provided all of these examples. I mean, so many examples, you'll see. I have provided, I first have the format spelled out for you, topic, topic, and put that topic in all caps and bold it. Do it just like this. And then I provided all these examples from dreams all the way down to vinyl records. So, and these are all written by students. These are all written by former Delgado students for this particular writing project. Dreams, tattoos, empathy, sisterhood, journaling, bed, hope, vinyl records, making a roux, right in the middle there. And the writer, making a roux. Making a roux is old, yes, but it's not outdated. Or violin. A violin is the classical music of my choice when I need to unwind from a stressful day. It is a peaceful sound in a symphony that's easy to be placed outside of the other instruments. Another one, tattoos, right? Tattoos are more than just painful. They are a tradition, the long human history of decorating our lived experiences. And I even like bed. My former student said bed. It sounds lame, but it's my place of worship, almost like my personal throne. It sits in my sanctuary, my room, and holds onto all of my dreams, fears, and hopes. So y'all get the idea, and I look forward to your post.